What's happening? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. Chevy Camaro. I did a video that was similar to this, but this is gonna be a little bit different. Once again, I got a 1LE on the channel, but this is a totally different car. But you know what? We up to some shenanigans. Stay tuned. Okay, everybody. I want you to introduce you to Parker. This is his Chevy Camaro SS 1LE. Parker, we got you liking Chevy Camaros, and you know, especially this great example right here.
Whenever I turned 15, I used to have a buddy who lived in town, and he had a 6th gen one, and it was shot green, and he took me on a joyride in it, and I was like, I gotta get one. That's pretty much it. It's just, I fell in love with them, and now I own one.
You hear it from the horse's mouth. But stay tuned for the ride portion. Give me a ride today in your Camaro.
Yeah, no problem, man. Anytime. I love giving rides. Growing up, one of my biggest things was like, when I get a car, I'm gonna share it with everyone, because everyone needs to.
I said you only live once. Yep. You gotta be able to experience stuff like this when you can.
It's loud.
Of course it is. In the background.
Oh yeah.
Hey Parker, thanks for the ride today, man. I enjoyed myself. Of course, smiles per gallon. I see why you got a Chevy Camaro. It's a fun car, you know. I know you got big plans for it, but do your thing, man. That's it, everybody. Like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. On my